So, I finished cooking my food. See what time it is. I feel like I'm hungry. I decided to come. So maybe I can chop some more. Chop. I'm supposed to go and take a shower. Go to my jacuzzi. Go take a shower. But due to if I'm sitting at time water, if I'm chilling, I'm getting bored. My house help and lago. So I decided, after talking to Alisa and Dr. Fortunate and one other persons, no, and two other persons, because we were on a conference call, so make her come chop. Kind of enjoyment where I don't enjoy for this Nigeria. The way they can be Igbo. When I want chop, if you see this one, it's where I cook. If you taste this too, oh my God. Oh my God. Think, oh, she give my house help, and I don't know, say, Madam, like you just they cook down, they cook like this. So she said, she won't cook for me. Just they look at me. Not too long, Kegi. A woman anyhow has cut and join you. Anyway, Gaka do one young Sadia. But at least, no time he gave me ban. We look at Nigeria and go. Open the lot of Nigeria and go hang at their friend's house to go. That what they are made, name here for free, name here for free. No, your kegi, happy was in the mother boy, and I became Lotrana boy. All of different states. All of different states. I should come on bag. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because of my blessings. My husband. Yeah, I like chicken. I don't know where big and now. In local Lagos, God in your house. God out you enter. God on a port, you enter. God anywhere, you enter. Okay, just to be no one, build one. Tell that you will not be a slave as Onisha brought you. But I know one of your girlfriend, the guy, no, they disturb here with woman. You go to Nigeria, you go to court to borrow money. How many months have I spent in Egypt? You the court to borrow money. You borrow money. You borrow money. Hey! See ya! You know, go like them. And you are at the age of 8 years. You get using bola all the time. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people Don't jealous me because of my wisdom. My mama showing them. Mama couldn't them. I want them corona cocoa for the Haji Bauru. All these prostitutes. Majority of them all this entirety bag. All more when Haji price one plot of land in Alana. Majority of their men, you take because of we had they feel less of men. It's not your house, it's your. We do not cap fake. Whatever we say we earn it. I'm not gonna say on them we don't do that. We don't pass, don't be second. If I show you can, me gets. If I show you house, me gets. If I show you husband, I'm my own. Anything I show you for this blue apple, me gets. I know they live fake, I know they can't fake. And all why just ordinary way, get a phone, get them on there, man. Gaba kitchen, gaba machine, gaba bedroom dishes. Get upstairs, get downstairs, get okay, when I spend money. Okay, when I spend money. Who had another saga? Who had another saga when I spend money? Ogechi Getty got it. Some people jealous me. They love me because I get good spoon. Child. How Ogechi is coming here? We not they do to please anybody. We just they do it because we get wisdom. Not go. But I go to come up at my kitchen behind the end. Anytime I'm hungry, I will just come in. I will just come in and relax and do my thing. Anytime I'm hungry, I will just come in, do my thing. Naganga song. I got bath in my jacuzzi upstairs. Kanga salon inside my jacuzzi upstairs. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Ogechi is a panic. It's like wow. I can go inside my jacuzzi now. That's where I want to relax. I need to turn my rugged lights. Kebenga turning. Light me jai here on I'm gonna my picture we got my AC in such a honor be cool. Where is my remote? Oh, did I leave it downstairs? No. Where's my AC remote? Oh, wait. I hope I did not leave it down. Oh, shit. Ah, fuck. Okay, I'm not here, thank God. Maybe we got my AC. It's such a honor. Yeah, they're joy. Oh, yeah. Say it to go. So, my Zuzu. I'm Nigeria, be back home. See, cozy water is ready. The baby girl is about to have her baby girl time. Baby girl. Come, baby, enjoy. Enjoy my jacuzzi, baby. I'm coming, baby. Stay here, baby. Ogechi, why are you like this? Why are you like this, Ogechi? Why? Why are you like this? Okay, baby, why are you like this? Cuckoo. Let me just enter. Oh, enjoy you like this. I am going to enjoy my sweet self. Try. What more can I ask for? What more can a queen ask for than to enjoy herself in her one of the most luxury, one of the most extraordinary, one of the most spendaciously, one of the most paragon extraordinary executive place, one of the most luxury house, one of the most luxury duplex. I have never seen the way we put money in this house. Everything na luxury or nothing. My jacuzzi, you want to enjoy with me? Very soon I will be here. So on that note, I will see you guys later. It's a fake house. Try. Goodbye.